Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential for your crypto journey. Sending Cardano from Crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure you're doing this safely and efficiently. Whether you're moving funds for staking, trading, or just securing your assets, this will get you there in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Crypto.com account with some Cardano in it, and your Phantom wallet installed on your device. Double check that your Phantom wallet is connected to the Cardano network, it's crucial for seamless transfers. Step 1. Open your Crypto.com app and log in. Navigate to your wallet section and select Cardano from your list of assets. You'll see your balance here. Ensure you have enough to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Next, hit the Withdraw or Send button. This might vary slightly based on app updates in 2025, but look for the option to transfer out. Now, switch over to your Phantom wallet app. Go to the Receive section, select Cardano, and copy the wallet address. It's that long string of characters. Make sure you copy it accurately to avoid any mishaps. Back in Crypto.com, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details, including fees. Cardano transactions are known for being energy efficient, so fees should be low, but always confirm. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification prompt, maybe via email or app notification. Once approved, the transfer should process quickly, usually in a few minutes depending on network congestion. Finally, head back to Phantom Wallet and refresh your balance. You should see your Cardano arrive. Pro tip. Always double-check addresses and keep an eye on security. Phishing is real in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.